Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you from Magnolia. And this is from the Chip and Joanna Gaines, I don't know what to call it, their kingdom, I don't know. They have Magnolia Home, they have Hearth and Hand from Target, they have the Silos and the Marketplace in Waco, which I do plan to get to someday. But I did place an order through the Magnolia website, and I've gotten things from the Magnolia website before. I've gotten, you know, t-shirts and hats and candles and different things like that, and I do love the quality. This is just kind of a smorgasbord of different things. Nothing really relates to the other thing. Nothing really relates to one another. But they really take pride and care in what they do, even from their box that their products come in. This is the Magnolia Manifesto. And if you get Magnolia magazine, they have this manifesto at the end of the magazine every time. I believe it's at the end. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take everything out and we can see it together and see what's in here. Can't remember what I paid. But we'll just go one item at a time, and what I'll do is I will link everything below so you can see what the price was. So the first thing is gonna be a piece of jewelry. And these are earrings. And Joanna, I have a pair of the black leather leaf earrings, and unfortunately they come in other colors. They came in other colors like brown and white, and I have the black pair, and I wanted to get the brown pair, and unfortunately those are not made anymore, or they aren't available. So I ordered these, and these are also leaf earrings. So let's see what these look like. So these are Raven Lily, Fair Trade, Women Made, and Eco-Friendly. Oh yeah, and the price is on there. These were $28. And I'm gonna actually put them right on right now. Let's see. What they look like. And it's just the little hook, but it has like, it's like a gold kind of leather with a brighter gold in the middle. But they're exactly like the other leaf earrings, the ones that were black. And I thought that these were pretty with the gold. Gives them a little something something, huh? Love them. $28 for those. And this is a counter spray. I'm just going to put my glasses on because I won't be able to read. And this is a lemon counter spray. Fragrance with notes of lemon rind, linden blossom, and fresh rosemary. Never tested on animals, no animal ingredients. Magnolia Home. I don't see a price on this, so I'm not really sure, but it's a plastic bottle, and it has this really cute sprayer, and I'm going to spray some now so I can tell you what it smells like. It has a little thing that you have to take off of there. You just kind of push it down. This little stopper, you just push it down. So it has a very light and very pleasant smell. I like it because it doesn't overpower anything. Fresh, clean, beautiful enough to sit out on your countertop. You just spray it. Yeah, it actually has like a lingering smell that you can smell after you spray and wipe. It smells really, really good. Love this. Number 1 lemon counter spray. And then I got, what is, oh, this is a mug. It's supposed to be a latte mug, but I got it for my tea. It's a little smaller than I thought it would be. So maybe it is going to be for coffee rather than tea, because for tea I like a big mug. But this says Magnolia Press coffee. This is like their coffee shop in Waco. And it's just a really nice little mug. Excuse me while I answer that. Yeah, so this was $12. This has the price on there. So, but yeah, like when I have my coffee or my tea, I can just pretend that I'm having tea in the Magnolia Cafe. All right, and last but not least, what is, oh, this is cute. Last but not least is this cute little berry bowl, and this was $10. This is a Helen Dealtry berry bowl, and it's kind of like the little berry boxes that you get when you get fresh fruit, but it has a beautiful blue pattern on it. Just really, really pretty. I really, really like this. This was what got me started on the order to begin with. I saw this little berry bowl, and you could put your strawberries or your blueberries after you wash them and put them in here, and you just have something really nice. It's ceramic, and it's just really pretty, and that will look really pretty on your breakfast table. So yeah, I'm happy with my little haul here. My earrings, I'm gonna be very happy with these. I'm already very happy with them. And my counter spray, I'm constantly wiping down my counters, so this is pretty neat and it smells good. And then I have my little mug, my Magnolia press. I also have a t-shirt with the Magnolia press, so one of these days I will get there, and my little berry bowl. So yeah, this was just a little quick haul from Magnolia. I'm very impressed with the quality. I'm very happy with the products that I picked up. So you can go to magnolia.com. You can shop. They have clothing. They have if you have watched Magnolia Table on Discovery Plus, which I absolutely just love. It's just watching Joanna cook from her cookbooks, and the aprons that she uses, which are really, really pretty. You can buy those from the website as well, and you can get most of the dishware and all of the plants and everything that she has at Target. You can get on the website. You can get chips, favorites, things like that. They have a lot of sales. They have a lot of 20% off sales that come if you sign up and you get an account. Your email will get the discount too. So I'm not advertising for them or anything, but just, you know, in case you haven't checked that out, which who hasn't checked out Magnolia's website by now? But in case you haven't. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for checking out my little haul and for hanging out with me for a few minutes. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.